everyone, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. So today I have another wall sconce for you guys, a very easy one. This time it's using decals or wall decals from the Dollar Tree. And so these are the items that you are going to need to create this wall sconce. As you know, Dollar Tree has the different shape mirrors. I decided to go ahead with the octagon shape like you see it here. This is the wall decal that I will be using today. If you do not find this at the Dollar Tree, I will go ahead and leave the item number in the description box below in case you want to order it online. You're also going to need some rhinestones and your command strips to hang your piece, scissors, and these tea lights from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to go ahead and put to the side what I won't be using for now, and we can get started. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my decal in half like I will be showing you here. Just be careful not to cut your decal, but I will be cutting it right there in the middle of the two just to make it easier. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and start applying my rhinestones. I'm gonna start off right there, and I will be applying like I'm showing you there every so often. Now, this is where I've decided to apply my rhinestones. If you want to apply the rhinestones exactly where I put them, go ahead and guide yourself from the picture that I did at the beginning, that I show at the beginning of the video. Other than that, you can place them wherever you like. And I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. And here you go. I've already done that. So again, the picture at the beginning of the video, you can guide yourself from that if you decide to place the rhinestones exactly where I put them. So now we're going to go ahead and apply our rhinestones at the very edge of our octagon mirror here. I'm going to show you how to do that. Just like that. And so we're going to go all around. And here you go. I have already applied my rhinestones all along the edge, the very edge of our mirror. So now you're going to find your center of your mirror, and you can see this has two different designs there and there. I am going to use this one because it better matches the decal design, and I'm going to have that part facing outward. I reuse my pieces, guys, so today I'm going to be using very little hot glue, but if this is going to be a permanent thing for you guys, I suggest that you use your E6000 with a little bit of hot glue and then let it dry overnight. But for video purposes, I'm only using hot glue today because I do recycle a lot of my pieces. And so here we go. We can start putting things together. If you notice closely, the decals on each end, they look different there. So you want both ends that are closest to your mirror to match. So I had to flip mine around, of course, on one decal. It'll make better sense once you see it on the wall, guys. I'll show you what that looks like now. And so there you have it. It looks so pretty. This was very easy to stick on the wall. They stay on pretty well, and they do, the stickers do come off easily as well. Remember, guys, that I did use a command strip to hang the mirror. So I placed a command strip behind there. These stickers are self-adhesive, but again, they do fall off. If this is permanent for you guys, I do recommend that you use hot glue. As you can see, darlings, we've lost a diamond. If you look closely, we've lost a diamond, guys. So girls, never trust a diamond if it's not real. And so here you go. This is what it looks like when the lights are dimmed down. I'm not a fan of the blue light that the tea light gives off, but you can either replace it or use another tea light holder from the Dollar Tree. But I do love the pattern and how it matches the actual wall decal from the Dollar Tree. I think it looks really, really pretty, and it's so simple. So give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like this video, and it'll let me know that you want more videos like this by giving me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't, and for those that are subscribed to my channel, thank you for your support. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.